Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use PDF Maker with your CRM Opportunity Workflow. So at first you would go to your CRM and create a workflow. I'll create from scratch. Now here you just have to select an action, go to Discover and search PDF Maker. As you could see, there are two actions: generate PDF for contact and generate PDF for opportunity. So I'll just select on this one, and here you can see there are three fields: generated PDF name, which gives that means the generated PDF name that you want to give some custom name to that PDF. You can just click here. I'll give the user first name. Now here select template. Now these are the templates that you have created in your PDF maker for opportunity workflow. So I'll just click on opportunity and select opportunity. So these are the opportunity that are there in your sub account. So you just have to select a particular opportunity for which you want to generate the PDF. So I'll just click on save actions, save. Now to test it out, you just have to go to test workflow, and yeah, I'll just select. Now this workflow is triggered, so you can go to the execution logs. As you could see that it's added to the workflow and it's waiting. After waiting for a few minutes, you can see that the workflow is finished. That means the PDF is generated. Now to see the output document, you can just go to your PDF Maker dashboard and go to the particular template that you selected and go to the run history. Now here you can see that PDF is generated and you can download the PDF from here. So that's it. Thank you.